trained artists from China, have been living in Scotland since 2014. Today, I'm introducing Beginner's Silk Painting Workshop Kit to use with my online workshops. They are handmade in my studio and designed for children from age 8 years and adults. I have been running silk painting workshops locally since 2018 and recently developed this silk painting workshop kit to provide my workshops online, as all the participants really enjoyed their experiences. They benefited from this ancient art form, bringing them a moment of mindfulness and a sense of satisfaction in the beauty of the works they've produced. Even those who has never painted before or had anything to do with art prior to the workshop all had positive experiences. With this kit, anyone can follow the free workshop online and paint a beautiful silk painting, which can be used as a greeting card, wall decoration, or put into a floating frame like this. This is where the picture shows on both sides. It is also a traditional way to display silk art in China. Each workshop takes about 30 minutes. You can reverse or pause at any time.
Today, my mummy is making cupcakes for my birthday party tomorrow. Last time she made the cupcake, it was indestructible. I tried throwing it at the floor. Didn't even crack. Didn't even crack. Didn't even crack.
It includes 3 parts: tips and techniques, step-by-step painting process, and how to frame. The kit is very simple to use, as all you need to add is a jar of water for cleaning the brush later. For more details, please visit my website www.miuartstudio.co.uk. In the Christmas period, I'm offering 20% discount to thank my customers and subscribers who have been supporting me for this whole year. I am really appreciative for it. Thank you. The link will be under this video in the description. I hope we'll see you in the workshop soon. Bye for now.